Boys and girls, it is time to learn the last thing that you'll have to learn to be ready for your test on Friday. And it is called expanded form. Pay attention because this is something new. Make sure you have a sheet of paper ready because you're going to practice this today. Make sure you're ready to turn your brain on. Because as the great Martin Luther King once said, the mind is a terrible thing to waste. All right. Expanded form. Expanded form. Expand means to stretch out. So think of it that way. We're stretching out the number. So here is the first number, and I'm going to do this one for you. You just pay attention. That's your job right now. This number is 1,946 and 36 hundredths. In order to put a number in expanded form, you got to know the place and the value of each digit. This is a parenthesis. You will write a parenthesis, go to the biggest number or the first digit you come across, and you think, all right, that is the digit 1. So you put that digit down, 1. And then you put a multiplication symbol. Now, you got to think, what is the place of this digit? The 1 is in the thousands place. Now you got to think, well, what is the value of the digit? The value is 1,000. So, 1 times, it's in the thousands place, so 1 times 1,000. And then you put another parenthesis. Okay? That's for just that 1. Now you put a plus sign. Now the value of the 1 is 1,000. 1 times 1,000 equals 1,000. Then you put a plus sign. Then you put another parenthesis. Now you go to the digit 9. So you write down 9. Then a multiplication symbol. 9 is in the hundreds place. The value is 900, but it's in the hundreds place, so this is going to be 9 times 100. 1 is in the thousands place, so 1 times 100. 9 is in the hundreds place, so 9 times 100. 9 times 100 equals the value, 900. Then you do a plus sign. We go to the next number. Let me back this up a bit so we have some room. The next number is a 4. So I put 4 down. Times. The 4 is in the tens place. The value is 40, but it's in the tens place, so 4 times 10. Then another parenthesis. 4 times 10 equals 40. Then we do another plus sign. Go to the next digit, a 6. So a parenthesis, a 6. The 6 is in the ones place, and the value is 6. But it's in the ones place, so it's 6 times 1. Parentheses. Then a plus sign. Let's move to the next line because we got a 3 here. Now this is where it gets different. A little different. So pay attention. I put a parentheses again. I got a 3 in the tenths place. 3 times. Now listen to me very carefully. 3 is in the tenths place, so I multiply 3 times 1/10. 1/10. That's 1/10. That's 1/10 as in a fraction. That's how you do that with the decimal numbers. 3 times 1/10. Okay? Plus sign. Parentheses. 6 times. It is in the hundredths place. So, 6 times 1/100. 100. Now I'm going to add a number here. Let's say a 2. Plus, parentheses, 2 times, that's in the thousandths place, so 2 times 1,000. 2 times 1,000. This is 1/10. This is 100. This is 1,000. All you do is take these numbers and multiply them by their place. Thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place, tenths place, hundredths place, thousandths place. Okay? Don't forget your multiply inside parentheses, and don't forget you're adding all this up as well in between the parentheses. Okay, I'm going to leave that one there for you to look at. Now, I want you to try that one on your own. Okay? Try that one on your own. And let me just add a number to it as well, so you can see the full view of how decimals are supposed to look like. Let's see. Shout out a number for me to write in there right now. Okay, 6. All right. There you go. All right. Pause the video and you try to do this on your own. Just give it a shot. It's okay if you get it wrong. Just try it, and then we'll check and see how you do. Just me showing you one time. If you can get it right, with me just showing you one time, that makes you a genius. So pause the video and give it a shot. All right, let's see how good you did. Probably very good. All right. The 3. It is in the thousands place. So that's 3 times 1,000 in parentheses. Then a plus sign. 7 is in the hundreds place.
Teachers, good morning. The landing page meeting will be in the media center this morning. The landing page meeting will be in the media center. Thank you.
I don't have to go to that meeting. 7 times 100. 7's in the hundred place. 7 times 100. Plus, parentheses, 8. 8 is in the tens place. So 8 times 10. Plus, 1 is in the ones place. So, 1 times 1. Plus, now we get to the decimal numbers. Parentheses, 5. 5 is in the tenths place. So remember what I told you, 1/10. Plus, 7 is in the hundredths place. So, 7 times 100. plus. And then you have the 6 in the thousandths place. So 6 times 1,000. Easy, easy, easy. All right. I got you a bigger number this time. A challenge for you to do. Okay? Start with the biggest number. This number times its place. Plus this number times its place. Plus skip the 0. Remember, 0 has no value, so you're not even going to put this in there in your expanded form. Go straight to this one. This number times its place. Plus 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 this number times its place. Do not forget, these 3 should be fractions when you multiply. All right, pause the video and try it. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Pause. All right, let's see how well you did. All right. The 9, parentheses, 9 times, it is in the 10,000s place. 9 times 10,000. Plus, parentheses, 3 times its place. It's in the thousands place. 3 times 1,000. Plus, I'm skipping this. Now this is the hundreds place, but I'm skipping it because 0 means nothing. There's nothing there. So, let's go straight to the 2. It is 2 times its place. That's the tens place, so 2 times 10. Plus, you've got the 4 in the ones place. 4 times 1 plus parentheses 7 times. Now 7 is in the tenths place. So that's 1/10. 1 fraction bar 10. Plus 8. It is in the hundredths place. So that's 1 times 100. Plus, then 4 is in the thousandths place. So 4 times 1,000. Easy, easy, easy. Now, you try one just like that. I'm going to leave that one there to help you. You can look at it for an example. But you do this number, 71,046 and 789 thousandths. Remember, now, I don't want you to think 0 is always going to be there now in that spot, the hundredths place. We're starting out easy. Zeros can be anywhere. Whenever you see a 0, you just skip that place. Don't put anything for the 0. And don't forget in the end here, these numbers should be multiplied by fractions. And you got to have the right fractions. All right, pause the video and do it again. All right. The 7. It is in the 10,000s place. So 7 times 10,000. Plus 1 is in the thousands place, so 1 times 1,000. Plus 4, remember, I'm skipping the 0. 4 is in the tens place, so 4 times 10. Plus 6 is in the ones place, so that is 6 times 1. Plus 7 is in the tenths place, so that's 7 times 1/10. Plus 8 is in the hundredths place, so that is 8 times 100. Plus, last but not least, the 9 is in the thousandths place, so that's 9 times 1,000 as a fraction. Beautiful. Math is beautiful. One more for you to practice, and then you have learned how to do expanded form. My decimal, you got 36 and 596 thousandths. This number is not going to be as big as the last number. Okay? Think about the place of the 3, the place of the 6, the place of the 5, the place of the 9, and the place of the 6. Begin, pause the video. Let's see how you do. All right. The 3. It is in the tens place. So 3 times 10. Plus the 6 is in the ones place. So 6 times 1, parentheses. Plus, now we're straight to the decimal. Don't forget your parentheses. We got a 5 here. 5 is in the tenths place. So 5 times 1/10. Plus the 9. The 9 is in the hundredths place. So 9 times 100. Plus, and we've got 6 times 1,000. That is expanded form. We're going to be practicing all of our place value information this week to get you ready for your test on Friday. If there's anything you do not understand, all you have to do is go back into the videos and watch it again. Do you understand? Yes, you do. And why do we do this? Because math matters.